Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Here are 15 classic motorcycles for sale across the U.S., from rare vintage machines to unique custom builds. Number 1. 1942 Harley-Davidson WLA Custom, $7,800, Key Biscayne, Florida. The 1942 Harley-Davidson WLA is a legendary military motorcycle, originally built for World War II service and now highly sought after by collectors. This example is equipped with a sidecar, adding both functionality and strong visual presence. The engine has been fully rebuilt using original spec components and has seen very limited miles since, suggesting solid mechanical condition. It runs well and includes a variety of period-correct accessories that enhance its authenticity. With its historical significance and increasing rarity, this WLA stands out as a unique opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a true piece of American motorcycle history. Number 2. 1951 AJS Model 18S, $5,800, Murfreesboro, Tennessee. The 1951 AJS Model 18S is a classic British single-cylinder motorcycle known for its simplicity, durability, and timeless design. Powered by a 500cc engine, it delivers a steady and engaging ride that reflects the character of early post-war motorcycling. This example has recently received service and is ready to ride, with both title and registration in place. While it shows minor cosmetic wear consistent with age, it remains clean and well cared for overall. With its blend of usability and vintage charm, the 18S is an appealing option for riders and collectors alike. Number 3. 1962 BSA Royal Star, $2,900, Palm Coast, Florida. The 1962 BSA Royal Star is a well-regarded British classic featuring a 500cc engine and straightforward, reliable design. This example is described as being in great condition and starts easily, making it a practical vintage motorcycle for regular use. With approximately 18,000 miles, it has been enjoyed while still being maintained over time. New tires have been fitted, improving its road readiness and safety. For those looking to enter the world of classic British motorcycles at an accessible price point, this Royal Star offers a solid combination of charm and usability. Number 4. 1976 BMW R90S, $7,000, Clearwater, Florida. The 1976 BMW R90S is one of the most iconic sport motorcycles of the 1970s, known for its performance, engineering, and distinctive Daytona orange finish. This example carries additional interest with claimed previous ownership linked to racing champion Reg Pridmore. It has been fully serviced and is ready to ride, with several years of service records and manuals included. The R90S gained recognition through its racing success and refined performance, making it a standout model in BMW's history. With its combination of heritage, performance, and condition, this bike represents a strong option for collectors and enthusiasts. Number 5. 1966 Changjiang CJ750, $5,000, Huger, South Carolina. The 1966 Changjiang CJ750 is a classic sidecar motorcycle inspired by early military designs, offering a unique and engaging riding experience. Powered by a flat twin engine, it provides steady performance and a distinctive feel compared to standard motorcycles. This example is in good running condition and comes with a clean title and current registration, making it ready for immediate use. It also includes a range of extra parts, including a spare engine, adding significant value for long-term ownership. As vintage sidecar rigs continue to gain attention, this CJ750 stands out as both a practical and collectible machine. Number 6. 1965 Benelli 125cc Cafe Racer, $1,500, Charlotte, North Carolina. The 1965 Benelli 125cc is a small displacement Italian classic with a custom cafe racer style that gives it a unique and eye-catching look. Lightweight and simple in design, bikes like this are known for their charm and approachable riding experience. This example has been sitting for around 10 years and has not been recently started, making it a project opportunity for someone willing to bring it back to life. Despite that, its low price reflects strong value, especially for a vintage European motorcycle. With the right attention, this Benelli could become a standout custom or a fun weekend rider. Number 7. 1979 Yamaha XS650 Scrambler Style, $2,250, Atlanta, Georgia. The 1979 Yamaha XS650 is a highly classic twin, known for its reliability and distinctive exhaust note. This example has been customized into a semi-scrambler, giving it a more rugged and versatile look while maintaining everyday usability. It starts easily with both kick and electric start and is described as running strong, making it a ready-to-ride machine. The bike is comfortable on pavement but also capable of light gravel or dirt riding, adding to its versatility. With its strong reputation and custom styling, this XS650 offers a great mix of character, performance, and affordability. Number 8. 1966 Laverda 200 Twin, $1,800, Raleigh, North Carolina. The 1966 Laverda 200 is a lesser-seen Italian twin-cylinder motorcycle that offers a unique alternative to more common vintage bikes. Powered by a 200cc four-stroke engine, it reflects the craftsmanship and engineering of its era. This example has been sitting for several years and is being sold as is, making it best suited as a project or parts bike. It was reportedly running a few years ago, suggesting potential for revival with the right work. With its rarity and European heritage, this Laverda presents an interesting opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts looking for something different. Number 9. 1982 Suzuki GS450 Automatic, $1,175, Clarksburg, West Virginia. The 1982 Suzuki GS450 Automatic is a unique vintage motorcycle that stands out for its automatic transmission, offering a different riding experience compared to traditional manual bikes. Powered by a 448cc parallel twin engine, it combines smooth performance with ease of use thanks to its two-speed transmission and torque converter system. Known for comfort and reliability, it was designed to make motorcycling more accessible without sacrificing capability. With lightweight construction and practical features, it remains an interesting option for riders looking for something unconventional. At this price point, it offers an affordable entry into a rare and distinctive segment of vintage motorcycles. Number 10. 1978 Triumph 750 Bonneville Cafe Racer, $3,900, Pinecrest, Florida. The 1978 Triumph 750 Bonneville is a classic British twin that continues to attract enthusiasts with its timeless design and engaging performance. This example has been styled as a cafe racer, combining vintage aesthetics with upgraded components, such as improved brakes and an updated ignition system. It starts easily and is described as running strong, making it a ready-to-enjoy machine. The clean black finish and classic lines give it a sharp, purposeful look. With its blend of traditional character and modern touches, this Bonneville offers both style and usability for vintage motorcycle fans. Number 11. 1975 Honda Goldwing Cafe, $2,250, Beaufort, South Carolina. The 1975 Honda Goldwing is best known as a touring machine, but this example has been transformed into a unique cafe-style build that stands out from the crowd. Powered by the smooth flat-4 engine, it delivers a refined and comfortable riding experience, even by modern standards. This bike runs, shifts, and stops as it should, with all lights and signals functioning properly. It has also received several key updates, including a new battery, fuel pump, starter, and starter clutch. With its distinctive look and strong mechanical condition, this Goldwing offers a creative take on a classic platform. Number 12. 1972 Vespa Rally 180, $5,500, Greensboro, North Carolina. The 1972 Vespa Rally 180 is one of the more desirable vintage scooters, known for its performance and classic Italian design. Powered by a lively two-stroke engine, it is capable of cruising comfortably at around 55 miles per hour, making it practical for both city and longer rides. The Rally series is considered relatively rare in the US, adding to its collector appeal. This example is described as reliable and enjoyable to ride, offering a true vintage Vespa experience. For enthusiasts looking for a stylish and capable classic scooter, the Rally 180 is a standout choice. Number 13. 1982 Harley-Davidson FLH Shovelhead Police Special, $9,500, Charleston, South Carolina. The 1982 Harley-Davidson FLH Shovelhead Police Special represents an important transition period for Harley-Davidson, marking the early post-AMF era. This example has been thoroughly gone through, with significant time invested into refreshing and maintaining the bike. It features updates such as new components, refinished paint, and detailed hardware improvements, while retaining key original elements like the tank badge and speedometer. With under 20,000 miles, it presents as a strong-running and well-kept machine. Combining history, performance, and classic Harley presence, this FLH stands out as a desirable vintage cruiser. Number 14. 1967 Royal Enfield 350, $4,500, Lithia, Florida. The 1967 Royal Enfield 350 is a classic British single that offers a simple and authentic vintage riding experience. This example has had its engine overhauled, helping ensure reliable performance on the road. Styled with a British military-inspired look, it carries a timeless and rugged visual appeal. It is reported to start easily and run well, making it a usable classic rather than just a display piece. For riders who appreciate traditional design and straightforward mechanics, this Royal Enfield is a solid and character-rich option. Number 15. 1971 Honda CB350 K3, $3,850, Sharpsburg, Maryland. The 1971 Honda CB350 K3 is a well-loved vintage standard, known for its balance of reliability, performance, and classic styling. This example has undergone a full engine rebuild along with numerous upgrades, including electronic ignition, improved carburetors, and modern lighting. With around 6,900 miles, it presents as a strong-running and well-maintained bike. Additional accessories such as saddlebags and a tank bag add practicality for everyday use. For those seeking a dependable vintage motorcycle with thoughtful updates, this CB350 offers both usability and timeless appeal. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Like, subscribe, and check back daily for more classic motorcycles for sale.